Hello students, let us start about exercise 13 of the chapter symmetry. So in the first question we have to find out which figure is symmetrical and which is not. So for the symmetrical figure we'll write S, and for non-symmetrical figure we'll write NS. See, if you check this cycle and if you go along the line, along the dotted line, if you fold this cycle along the dotted line, you'll find that this part is not overlapping this part. Therefore this is a non-symmetrical shape. Okay, now we have another shape. This shape, if you will fold it along this line, you will find that this part will overlap this part. As a result, this is a symmetrical. We'll write S. And this one, if you check, if you go along this line, if you go along this line or fold along this line, you will easily, this part will overlap the other part. As a result, this is symmetrical. Now this, if you will, or if you try to fold along this line, then you will find this part is not overlapping this part, or therefore what will happen, it will be non-symmetrical. Okay, it is non-symmetrical. And now see this S, if you go along this line, fold it along this line, you will see this part will not overlap, will not cover this part. As a result, this is also non-symmetrical shape. Now let us see another question. Draw the line or lines of symmetry of the following shapes and count their numbers. We have to count the number. See this one, this figure, if you will check, we can make only one straight vertical symmetrical line, because if you will make this symmetrical line, what will happen, this part will able to cover this one. But if you will make like this, it is not possible. So therefore this shape will have only one symmetrical line, and this will also will have only one symmetrical line, because this area or this part will able to overlap this part or cover. But if you try to make like this, not possible. Okay, because this part is not similar to this part. So therefore this part will also have only one symmetrical line. Now let us go to star. If you go to star, you will see that star has, first you draw one line, this one symmetrical line, then again another symmetrical line, two lines we have made, and then another symmetrical line. Okay, three we have made. And now just check how many is left. Again here is also one possible. Okay, one more is possible, this line, symmetrical line is possible, and this one possible. So count. Okay, this line should pass through there. You count 1 2 3 4 5, and total will be 5 lines. Actually it should be 5 lines, because we have already counted this line, is not it? So 1 2 3 4 5 lines. This line no need to count, because already we have counted it here. So total 5 lines. Star has 5 lines of symmetry. Now let us check this figure. This figure only horizontal symmetrical line is possible. So this one also one horizontal symmetrical line. Not, if you will try to give like this, not possible, because this shape will not equal to this one. Okay, now see this cross sign or plus sign. If you give like this, one symmetrical line is possible, another is possible, 2, then again one more, 3, and again one more, 4 total symmetrical lines are possible. Okay, total 4 symmetrical lines are possible. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now let us see question number 5. Question number 5, we'll have to check how many lines are possible. Okay, sorry, this is question number 7. Okay, question number 7, let us see. So one line of symmetry is possible in this way. Okay, one, and then second is this one, and the third one is this one. So total 3 lines are possible. 1 2 3. Okay, total 3 lines are possible. Here only one line is this one, another line is this one. So 2 line of symmetry is possible here. Let's check, draw the line of symmetry in the following letters. For A, one line of symmetry is possible. For B also one line of symmetry is possible. For C also one line, and D also one. So E also one symmetry line, and H will have 2 symmetrical line. Okay, then I will have 2 symmetrical line, then K will have only one symmetrical line, then M will have only one symmetrical line, O will have two symmetrical line, T will have only one symmetrical line, and U will have one symmetrical line, V will have one symmetrical line, W will have one symmetrical line, X will have total two symmetrical line, and Y will have one symmetrical line. Okay, so let us see another question. Another question is, draw the lines of symmetry of the following shapes. So we have to draw the lines of symmetry of following shape. This is only possible here. In the star case we have done before also. So again let us start with the corners. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5 total. Okay, 5 lines of symmetry you can draw. Now let us see a regular octagon. So start with the corner first. Okay, corner to corner you do. So one corner to another corner. Okay, then just join the corners and corners. Okay, join all the corners. So we have done 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, total we have joined the all corners 4. Then let us start from middle. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have done this all total lines. Now let us see oval shape. Oval shape will have only two symmetrical lines. Okay, so this question is over. Now let us see reflect each of the following in the given mirror. So we have to reflect. So this side actually we have to draw a photocopy of this one. So what you will do, just draw it like this. Okay, draw it, and then here you will put this one. So this will be the reflected part. P, it will be like this. Pencil in the what is called sharp point will be this side, and unsharp will be here. Now this one you see will be like this, and this smiley will be like this. Now when you draw this, how it will be in this corner. Okay, in this corner the point will be. So we have drawn. Now which capital letters of English alphabet have no line of symmetry? So you check, there is F is there. Okay, F has no symmetrical line. Okay, then G is there, then J is there, then K is there, L is there, P, Q, R, S and Z. These alphabets have no line of symmetry. Understand? Now let us see question number 7. How many lines of symmetry can be drawn through a regular nonagon? So through a regular nonagon, how many lines we can draw? If you remember, in octagon we have drawn 8 lines of symmetry. So here we will have 9th line of symmetry. The English alphabet O is actually like a circle. So infinite. Infinite means unlimited. You can write. You can write infinite or you can write unlimited. Okay. So the digit 8 will have only 2 lines of symmetry. Okay. Then a parallelogram will have 0 line of symmetry, or you can say no or none. Okay, no line of symmetry is there in a parallelogram. Now let us see question number 8. Which of the following letters does not have any line of symmetry? We have to find out which of the letter does not have any line of symmetry. So Z has no line of symmetry. We already know this one. Okay, which of the following figures has exact